Hi, I'm Jevin. Let's have fun with numbers today.
Can you count backwards from 50 to 1 with Jevin? Let's go!
50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that was awesome! Great job!
Let's do it again. Thanks for watching. See you next time.